Okay, so I'm out here in the garden, checking on things, harvesting vegetables that are ripe, and cutting things back, tying things up, and all the things you do when you have an organic garden. And I look down here into the squash, among the squash and the bees, and I see right there a really unique squash, but just to the left of it, a hatchling box turtle. Look at that. See it? I think he was eating the squash blossoms. That is so cool to see a little baby box turtle, a hatchling. Well, he could be last year's hatchling. He's really little, but wow, that is just so cool to see. This is something you hardly ever see in nature, is a hatchling box turtle. Let's take a closer look at it. Oh, come here, little guy. Wow, look how cute. And the beginning of his life. He is at the beginning of his 100-year life, his century-long life. That is how long these guys often live. Science is showing us now. They are one of the longest-lived vertebrates on the North American continent. How cool is that? Hey, little guy or girl, no way to know for about a dozen years. All right, let's put him back, because I want him to live here and keep my garden free of little pests and such. Turtles in the garden, box turtles in the garden are an excellent thing. Some people don't think they're a good thing because they think they eat their tomatoes. Well, the way I see it, I don't mind if he eats a few tomatoes if he keeps slugs and snails and other nasties away from my squash, which is bigger than he is by several times. So cool. Bye-bye, little box turtle.